Hello, welcome to another short tutorial video. We will be looking at how we can turn our tweets to images. Maybe we want to share the tweet on Instagram, we want to share the tweet on our WhatsApp status without having to go through the process of or being confused on how to go about it. So let's take this one for instance, Twister.io. This is how the platforms look like, and we'll be going through that. So you click on sign in with I don't really like a platform that I want to use and I have to like sign in with my account. That's just me. I don't really like it like that. So let's say I want to screenshot this quote for instance. All I just have to do is click on it has highlighted it and I click on continue. So to tell me to choose which of the skin that I want, either black or white. I decide to go with black. I click on continue. Now it's printing, so I could just download it and I have the image already with me. So cancel all this. Let me go and see. So here's the images after. You see how neat it looks like. So that's that in respect of that. So that's one. The other one is this. You have to like choose, put in the URL. So let me go to Twitter. Quality like the initial one. So the other ones we have tweets to pick, trigger, to image. So let's start with tweet to pick. So let me enter, and the interesting thing about this one, to forestall issue we had initially, let me just delete off the mobile Twitter that is there. Probably this one gives us so many options. Let's first submit without having to choose any option and see what we have. when you put the link in it, you have to click on the play button. As you can see, they have their logo made with Trigger. This is a big turn off for me compared to the other ones whereby we had free access. There was no made by anything inside. As you can see, there's no such in this compared to them. So let's try the last one, tweet make. Whatever. Wow. Paste. Wow. These are some sort of creativity in it. I think you can change. Oh, that's interesting. You can change. You can even add a banner. Oh, this is interesting. Add a banner to it. So this gives your tweet some life. As you can see, gives your tweet some life. That's interesting. So those are the various ways in which you can convert your tweets to images for use on other social media platforms. Thank you.